Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm doing another weekly vlog. Why do I keep saying blog? I'm doing another weekly vlog. So, you know, if this is your first time on my channel, this is your first time you see my face, hey, I'm Andrea. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can join the family and join all the fun. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm starting the vlog off kind of late. It's Tuesday and it's like 12:30. I'll have like a fork and stuff in here. So I'm on lunch right now. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm on lunch right now. And yeah, I just started the vlog off really late. It's Tuesday, it's lunchtime. I'm just at work. I didn't pack lunch today. So I just got some dig in. And I haven't had dig in like 2 years, so I'm really excited for it. I'm a little underwhelmed and a little unimpressed. I would show you the food, but it looks kind of sad. And then I got, it's ginger mint lemonade. And then I got charred chicken, roasted sweet potato, avocado, and brown rice. It's okay. I'm just trying to eat healthier. I'm not gonna stay too long on here because one, my camera's gonna die, and I want to show you guys what I'm doing later today, hopefully. So I want to save my camera battery to show you guys what I'm gonna do later when I leave work today, hopefully. Hopefully I'll vlog it. If I don't vlog it, I'll explain later when I get home. But I didn't bring an extra battery with me, so I'm gonna just finish my lunch and then I'm gonna talk to y'all later on today or tomorrow. So okay guys, so I told you earlier today, did I tell you earlier today? I meant to tell you earlier today that I was going to Laseraway to look about some laser hair removal. So I'm about to get rid of this right here. All of that about to go. So I just did my consultation and they had an availability for 6:30. Right now it's like 6 and some change, so I'm just gonna wait out here and then I'm gonna do my first laser session. And I'm super excited because I complain about this all the time. I want my beard gone. I want it gone and out of the way. So we're gonna do that, and then if it doesn't, they said it doesn't hurt as much. So I'm hoping, because you know I'm a pussy. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try and vlog that for you guys too, and then I can make this like a segment on my channel where you come with me to get my laser hair removal, and we'll keep updates and stuff like that. We can like keep track of how it's going for me in case you guys want to do it too. So, you know, let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried laser hair removal. Let me know. And then yeah, I will talk to you guys really soon. Guys, I'm about to get my beard removed. Thank God. Actually, let me take my jacket off.
Okay, and if you ever do need a break though, let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, I can take as many breaks as you need.
And this is like usually like 15 minutes?
So the appointment time, the entire time is about 15 minutes, but the actual treatment time, it depends on the patient. Usually like 5 minutes or so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's super quick. I'm gonna have you close your eyes for me. I'm gonna put these goggles on you. You lift your head up a little bit, or sorry, the test box. Make sure we're all good.
Okay.
Do one right here.
Oh, okay. That was like a little pinch. That wasn't bad at all.
Right? Not bad.
Okay.
I'm just gonna lower the air just a little. I'm gonna block off some air. 3, 2, 1. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and before I take your goggles off, basically I went from here, going all the way to this side, and then I went under to kind of down to where your neck starts.
Okay.
Do you grow hair anywhere along the sides here? Or
Not really, no.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's pretty much it. How was that?
That was fine.
Not bad, right?
That was not
Way
bad.
better than waxing.
It was a lot better than waxing.
I'm gonna take this off for you. It's gonna be really bright.
Oh, perfect. Okay, guys, I did it.
Anything else? Any questions?
This one a lot easier than I thought it would.
Right?
Yeah, I thought this was gonna be terrible. I was like, this is the least painful procedure I've ever
Oh,
done.
for sure. I will warn you though, it does tend to get a little more intense at certain points. Like around, for me, it was a third treatment that really got me. But it's so quick that
I was like, that was.
as many breaks as you need.
I was like, that was fast, and I was like, it's like in some parts, like I didn't feel it. It was just like maybe like right here. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
I was like, it was a little pinch. It wasn't that bad. So I'm like, that's perfectly fine. Let me just toss this. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday. I had just gotten home from work. I didn't really pick up the camera today because I didn't really do much. The only thing I did do was go to Sephora. I mean, I went to a couple places, but I didn't buy anything there. I only bought stuff from Sephora. I'll show you what I got. I bought the Fenty Skin Body Butter. I love this. If you don't have this, I put this in my recommendations video, my Sephora recommendations video. If you don't have this, you are slacking. And I also bought the face wash because I really just could not wait. I ran out of face wash and I ran out of body butter. And my package is not supposed to be delivered until December 2nd. So I just said, screw it. And I went and I picked these up. If anything, the one from Sephora, when the one that I bought online comes, I might return it or I might just keep it as extra. But I had to get these two things. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I did today. I really didn't do much.
Don't put my middle finger up. Don't put my middle finger up. Don't put my middle finger up.
So you choke.
So I choked, yes.
Okay guys, so I just got home. I just got home from work. Today is Friday. I'm really excited about the weekend. I just picked up a package from my neighbor's house because honestly I was freaking out because I thought FedEx left it with like another neighbor of mine, and I'm not gonna say I don't mess with them, but like I don't mess with a lot of my neighbors because somebody stole my package the first time. So if it's not the neighbor like to my right, I don't want my packages left with anybody else besides the neighbor to the right. So I saw that FedEx said they left my package with a neighbor, and they ain't write the name of the neighbor, if they didn't like leave like a notice on my door to know which neighbor it was. I just went to the neighbor to the right, and thank God she had my package. So I'm super excited, y'all, and y'all gonna think I have a problem, but I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna do this unboxing with you guys because I didn't do the last one with you guys. I did like a reel for Instagram or whatever, but I don't think I'm gonna make a reel for Instagram. Let me turn this light off because it's too bright over here. Maybe I should, but like how many unboxings do y'all really want to see? So I'm not gonna do that. But I already popped it out of the box, but it's like still in its packaging. It's in a Telfar bag, and I'm really excited. Not gonna lie, I have 2 more on the way. I have like another one that should be arriving like next week, and then the one from Bag Security that's not coming until like March maybe, so you know, whatever. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. So, you know, it's a little Ugg right here, and I'm about to take it out of the paper. Oh, she's cute. Oh. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my God, I love it. She's so freaking cute. Oh my God, I'm so happy with it. I'm like legit so happy with it. Super cute. Where's the, maybe it's inside the bag. Okay, yeah, I was looking for the duster. And then like the little Ugg, I guess like authenticity things in here. Then like the Telfar Ugg duster bag is in there as well. I'll just be effing it up. I love it. So this Ugg one is different than the one that I have, like the gray one that I have. This one is more like of that suede and like Sherpa, kind of like the Ugg boots. Now I do have black Ugg boots, but they kind of old, so I might need to buy another pair of Ugg boots or like some black Tims or something to like go with this bag. But y'all, she cute. She cute, and I'm wearing her. I don't know where I'm going. I'm gonna wear her for Thanksgiving. Ooh, she's so cute. She is so cute. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So super excited that my Telfar came, and I have I also ordered that one in like the same bag, like this same bag in medium. I also got that as well, because this one's the small, and I was like, the small is really cute, but that's like if I'm going out, like maybe I want to go to dinner or something like with my friends, and I don't really want to carry too much. Because the medium is more like a work bag, to be honest. Like I wear my gray medium for work now. But I will probably wear that black one for work when it comes, and save like the gray one for like the springtime or whatever, because you know the black one's just gonna match with my winter coat better or whatever. Like the gray one's cool for now. Like I love the bag. It's gorgeous and it's super soft. That one feels more like Nike Tech fabric. It's fleece. This one's more like Sherpa and suede. So pretty. So excited. So I have options, and after I get like my Uggs or my Tims, I think that's like the last thing I'm gonna buy for myself until like, you know, it gets warmer outside. That's gonna be like my Christmas gift to myself. So actually my boyfriend said he was gonna pay for this bag, so I guess that's his early Christmas gift to me. Yay. So I don't really have anything planned for today, just besides like editing, and maybe I might go. So if I edit tomorrow, I might show you my editing and like my editing process if you guys would like to see that. But this week was really calm for me. I didn't really do much besides like go to work, and then I went out with Chase and Brittany yesterday. We just had like oysters and like, you know, just like we just had like light drinks. We only had 2 drinks. We didn't even really go out. And I didn't really vlog because they were playing music. It was like live music. It was just kind of loud. So I didn't really see the point in like vlogging for an extended period of time, because there was no conversation you guys probably would have heard. Yeah, but that's it for right now. If something interesting happens, if I decide to go out tomorrow, if something happens, I will let you guys know. I'm gonna obviously vlog I'm gonna obviously vlog it, but besides that, I'm really done for the week. So happy Friday. Ooh, I should probably start the vlog off. All right, so I just got back inside the house. I'm getting my package, but let me tell y'all, okay, one, I know what the package is. It's I'm like resting on it right now, actually. So yeah, so I just got back inside. I still got my coat and whatnot on. So I just got like 2 wigs from Divatress. If you guys are, you know, if you guys have been watching my channel, I work with Divatress like on a monthly basis. They send me at least 2 wigs. This month they have sent me 4 wigs, and I'm so behind, but super excited and very, very thankful and blessed that I get the opportunity to work with like various brands and like continuous collaborations, you know, not just like one-offs or anything like that. I am continually getting to work with like reputable brands, and I'm so thankful for that. But that is not why I came here to talk to you guys. So remember the other day, I think it was on Tuesday, I think it might have been Tuesday, I went to Sephora and I told you I picked up like 2 things that I had already bought. Like I bought it from the VIB sale, but then it was like it was gonna take, I wasn't gonna get it until December 2nd. I picked up like the Fenty facial cleanser and like the body butter. Why did I just get an email from Sephora telling me that the package things that I bought on the 15th are going to be delayed? I was already not gonna get them until December, so now you're telling me I'm dead not gonna get them until like Christmas? This is why I do what I do sometimes. It don't make sense. Like, why would you buy what you already bought? Because it said it was gonna come in December, and now it's telling me that it's gonna come a lot later than that. So really glad I went out and I bought what I needed, because I think it might be like a shortage, or maybe like people don't want to work at FedEx no more, or UPS, or wherever they deliver at. Maybe that's what it is. Like people don't want to work there no more. Sorry guys, I'm getting kind of hot. Yeah, so maybe people don't want to work there no more, but I'm just happy that I got what I needed to get, because honestly my skin has been breaking out and I don't like it, and I feel like it's because I've been using the Fenty facial wash or whatever, and like honestly that is definitely like a top cleanser of mine. Like I love it, I absolutely love it. So I decided I was gonna rebuy it, and you know, since I haven't been using it, I feel like my face has been breaking out. Like I got pimples, and stuff like just breaking out on my cheeks. My forehead had these like tiny little pimples on it, and I did not understand why, because I don't normally break out like that. But like I really like the Fenty and I really like the cleanser, and I've only used it maybe like twice this week. I feel like my forehead is clearing up a lot, so I don't know, Rihanna is onto something. So if you guys have not tried that cleanser, like that whole facial set, I don't necessarily use the fat water. I only use like the cleanser and then the SPF, but I haven't really been, I didn't have to rebuy the SPF because I just open it up and like I've been scooping it out like whatever I can't get. But I know I used the crap out of that. I used the crap out of the cleanser, so you know. I'm waiting for one of my old coworkers to come home. She lives up the block from me and I wanted to get something from her, so I'm waiting for her to come home. That's why I haven't taken off my clothes and my wig yet, but I want to take my wig off so bad. Like, you ever had a long day, you just want to take your wig off? I feel like that every day. I take my wig off every day. Like, I don't have eyelashes to take off. Like, these are extensions, but I really just want to, like, you know, I really just want to get my wigs, like, off my head. That's it. So, I'm going to just wait for her, and then, I don't know. We'll see what else happens.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.